Hi everybody, Asong Filipina here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm so excited and happy that my car is finally here. It's back. So after 7 months of waiting, I have here some of my flip-flops. Well, most requested now is the heels. So I have heels here. This is the red stiletto heels and mules. I also have my of course I have to hang my feet, of course, why not? And then this one. So I'm gonna try on these shoes in the gas pedal. Okay, since the weather is bad today, so I stay home for now, and then I'm going to make more videos, driving videos. So for now I stay home, going to make some short videos showing you some of my shoes. For a very long time I did not try on these shoes, how it looks like in the gas pedal of my car. So okay, let's get started. So okay, first is I'm going to wear this one.